Here we come to the elevators at the Bullock, Texas State History Museum in Austin, Texas. These are ThyssenDover because they were installed in 2001. Cabs are still the exact same as I remember. 4. I'm gonna go outside, ring the bell. Nice. I love this cab. This is beautiful. Listen to that motor. And it levels nicely too. We're gonna send this up and we'll get the other elevator car. And it's already here waiting for us, so that's nice. Similar cab like the other one. And we'll go back down to one end there. I like that view out there. Sorry, my finger's on the lens. It's just a similar elevator cab. Now, just FYI, I'm not going to be doing that many elevators all across Austin because I only have a half day here. I'm only just doing the ones that I want to see the most. All right, gonna go ahead and watch it close. All right, there it goes. And that's it.